Hello and welcome to Davis Family Central Command. This is my HomeSeer system using HS Touch as the front end. I'm going to go through some of the things that I can do with this system for you. Start off, this is the main screen. From here we can see any of the current events, people's birthdays, current weather, alarm state, time, date, that kind of stuff. One of the first items we can do is security. From here we can see if there's any doors opened or closed. If I open this door right behind me, it'll tell you and show you that the doors are open, so I can quickly, before I go to bed, let's say, look and see if there's any doors or windows that are open. Just show another door right over here that works.
Master hall door open.
And this is tied into my ELK security system. We can also arm and disarm the system.
Area 1 is armed. Night instant area 1 is disarmed.
Next thing we can do is lighting. From here it shows that I've got two lights on. I can control my fish tank. These are done through either Z-Wave or X10. If I push this light right there, it shows it turns off. And that actually is this light right over here. So I'll pan over there and turn it on. And turn it off. Next we can do weather. Pulls in the current weather for my area, shows some of the thermostats that we've got throughout the house. We're in Florida, so some of the important things are, let's say, hurricane tracking. Quickly goes onto the NOAA website and pulls all their data. Shows any of the, there's no active hurricanes right now, but it'll pull in their maps. We can also look at local Doppler radiators for the area. It's been raining all day, but it's a little bit out there still. We use that a lot. Music is another one we use a lot. Usually we're either listening to Pandora or AOL radio. Quickly logs in there and plays it throughout the house. I'll come on in just a second. And it's coming on. It starts off a little not so loud, but we can also from here just make that turn off. Go back and we can control. I use JRiver audio. That'll go in there, and I can play a song from there. We also. Oops, I forgot to turn that off. Control the sprinkler system from here. Got a little aerial photo of my house, and I can just click a zone. It turns it on. A second later, it'll turn the pump on. And my sprinklers are going. It'll tell me the last time they ran and how long they ran for. I can do either one zone at a time, or I've got some preset patterns that go on and off, or turn them all off. Calendar. This connects our local calendars with my work calendar using Google Calendar to link them all together. So it's got my wife's stuff, my stuff, of what's going on, current birthdays. System. It'll show all of my network devices of what's turned on, what's turned off. Including our iPhones, how long the system's been up. I just restarted, so it's only been up for 2 hours. HVAC, I've got RCS 4-zone controller with 4 thermostats using the X10 protocol. It shows the current thermostat temperatures, their set zones, and then some other thermostat readings from throughout the house. It shows the weekly weather pattern of humidity, weather, and thermostats. Cameras, it's dark out, but I've got a few that have lights on right now, so I can click on the office, see what's going on there. The laundry room, which is a test camera, which is right here. Got the kids' bedroom, some outside ones, but those are all lights off or it's dark out, and I don't have any infrared on those. Photos, just quickly go through some photos if you wanted to. Floor plan, if you want to look at one room at a time, I can click on the kitchen, see if there's any doors opened or closed. Again, there's this door here.
Garage entry door open.
You can turn lights on and off from this area. It shows that it's at full power. I can dim it from here. Paint over there again, showing that it's just barely on. Bring it up again. Dims up. So I've got most of the rooms in the house set up that way. Messages, I've cleared it out, but it'll show caller ID. I can quickly take my Google Voice account, see if there's any messages. Email accounts, message board. There's a section to see movie times, but that's not really set up right yet. RFID, we've got RFID tags in the cars, but I've got that turned off right now because I'm doing some changes to that system. News, that's not really set up yet. I can quickly get the horoscopes I wanted to, but that's about it for there. And that's my system. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks. We actually have a second place in the house where we can control the system as well with another touchscreen. This is the media center in the main part of the house. We got the Boxy on the main TV and the touchscreen over to the right. And all the components are down inside the cabinet below. I'm going to turn this off and get close. This is the second touchscreen. It's exactly the same in terms of the controls as the first one. Touch on there, it zooms over it. Shows security, back home, same thing. Just allows us to do it from the living room instead of the main entry door by the garage. From here you can see one of our RCS thermostats right there. Or if I go to lighting again, from this one I can turn on the light right here. This light right here just went on and off again. So just show some of the things we can do with our system. And last but not least, we can also control the system from our iPhones. From here we can tap on security and you see if there's any doors open or closed, just like we could on the main computer. Can arm the system, check the current weather of the area, turn lights on and off, same lights we saw before. I can turn it on right here, turn it back off again. It's a little harder to touch because of the smaller screen, so I can go here and get to a list view, turn lights on and off. Sprinklers can turn zones on and off, so I can walk around the yard, turn the zone on, so, fix it, turn it off, that kind of stuff. And I think that's all we've really got set up on here for now. And this is an older style too. It's going to be changed to the new design shortly.